All right, folks, a quick and easy one today. We're going to do the air filter replacement for the Rivian. Of course, you can bring yours into service or anything like that to get it done, but there finally is an available option on Amazon to actually get one of these filters and not have to go OEM, and it's much cheaper. So I've linked that below in the description. Of course, these are always pretty simple. It's always a little different depending on the vehicle and where they put the cabin air filter, but we'll go ahead and jump right into it. All right, so as you'd expect, pop the front. Let's see how it does with the pickleball. And it's going to be up underneath this trim piece. So you just got to really pull on it. Because of course you never want to break these little clips, so you got to be firm, but you don't need to break them. There we go. Watch this. All right. I'll bring in for a closer look. All right, and just like you'll find on the link below, Best EV Mod is selling a direct replacement. I know some other people online have been trying to find a filter that would fit, and they were finding like one of the Hyundai Genesis products, but this one looks pretty legit. It's got some carbon filters in there. Let's give it a whirl and see how it goes. I suppose I can report back. So you can see in here, well, actually I'm going to zoom this thing in, you can see better. All right, and as you can see, there's a tab right about here. Go ahead and pull that down and towards you, and it will release this kind of little cage that it sits in. So you can pull it right out, and it is definitely dusty. Let's see if I can get it. Does it come all the way out, or is it just kind of, all right, just kind of pops out. But as you can see, mine is just pouring out dust. So, yeah, like I might have mentioned in the video already, I've got like 15,000 miles in this truck. Maybe about 1,000 of it has been off-road and super high dusty areas. So it's definitely time to do this. Now, what's interesting, usually any air filter you'll see would have a sticker on the edge of it, and it would show which direction the airflow is going to go. This one just has a sticker on the front that says airflow with an arrow. That's confusing. But what is interesting is that if you look on just the Amazon listings, it shows that this one's going to be the outside passing air this way, which I honestly would think it's different from what that's showing. So if we're going to trust the Amazon listing, we'll go ahead and just slide it back into this cage here, push it back, kind of sits in there. We're done and done. So just like that. Now go ahead and zoom out real quick. And I did notice that one of these little clips here is actually on this side, but I'll probably off camera right now. Actually remained on it didn't come back up with this, and you can see there's actually one missing here. That stuff happens, so that's what I was talking about earlier, just to be kind of careful. You don't want to break them, misplace them, because they do serve a purpose, but it's not the end of the world. As I'm sure you know if you've been around cars for any length of time. And I did a really good job of not remembering where those things were, but hey, I think we're clipped in enough. There we go. Cool. All right, and I did triple check it. There's actually a couple more clips right around here that you'll hear a snap. But that's a wrap. Quick and easy, just like every other vehicle, but at least there's an option for the aftermarket. If this video helped you at all, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, put them in the comments below. Thanks and have a good one.